Hello guys, I am Harris Sid. Welcome on this channel. I request to you please subscribe my channel to get informative videos related to CRMs, PC securities, and cloud computing. In this video we will discuss how to make an effective cloud disaster recovery strategy for data security. In today's time, the cloud is the most reliable and used data storage center. No doubt cloud is the most sought after place for data storage. However, companies incur huge losses when the cloud is affected. Here are the top cloud disaster recovery strategies to save your business data. It is common to face cloud issues, and once a cloud issue comes, there is a huge loss. To evade that, it is recommended to create a CDR or cloud disaster recovery strategy. What is cloud disaster recovery? It can be defined as the process to evade or bounce back after a disaster. This helps them restore important documents. A cloud disaster recovery system aids the company to restore their files with the usage of cloud services. What are an effective cloud disaster recovery plans? Now that we have established why a cloud data recovery plan is important, let's understand how to put this in place. Step 1. Evaluate your infrastructure and examine any dangers. To build an adequate disaster recovery plan, it is crucial to assess your IT infrastructure, including the assets, tools, and data you utilize. Step 2. Perform a business impact analysis. A business impact analysis is a next step. This will provide you an understanding of the constraints of your business procedures once a disaster occurs, and you can take them into the picture while developing the cloud disaster recovery strategy. Step 3. Building a disaster recovery plan founded on your RPO and RTO. Now that you have specified your RPO and RTO, you can now concentrate on developing a strategy to fulfill your IT disaster recovery plan objectives. You can select from the below range of disaster recovery methods to execute your IT disaster recovery strategy: backup and restore, pilot light strategy, warm standby, full reduplication in the cloud, multi-cloud alternative. Step 4. Collaborate with the right cloud partner. After you have considered building a cloud disaster recovery plan, the next phase should be to search for a reliable cloud service provider that will help in the implementation. Step 5. Create your cloud DR infrastructure. After talking with a cloud disaster recovery service company, you can operate with the provider to enforce your plan and set up your disaster recovery plan. Step 6. Enforce your disaster recovery plan on paper. It is significant to have a standard procedure or process flowchart with distinct teachings for each and every one included in your IT disaster recovery plan. Step 7. Frequently test your disaster recovery plan. Since your cloud disaster recovery plan is in place, the next stage is testing your IT discovery recovery plan frequently. This enables you to confirm that there are no gaps in your plan. Comprehensive knowledge of the industry's best methods retains the safety of your organization. Contact Sysvoot to understand which cloud recovery plan best suits you to protect your firm. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.